2023 fashion trends that are here to stay. We'll be seeing these everywhere and they are so easy to wear, so let's get to it. Starting off, long denim skirts. We're seeing these in every length from maxi skirts to below the knee. I love this slit down the center. And this is one of my favorite looks with the tall boots and a turtleneck and a really cute belt. Up next are these silver metallic leather or faux leather pants. I love how they're being styled super casual and wearing the pants as if it was just a neutral color. I love the versatility though because they can also be dressed up and go with so many different colors. Cowboy boots are not a new trend, but they are definitely going strong. This is probably one of my favorite trends because they can be worn with just about anything. Every brand and designer has a cowboy boot right now. And this is a trend you can wear in winter and in summer. Mesh is also having its moment. I love the look of a mesh top with a cute little bralette underneath, or even with a little tank like this. And I love the look of a bodycon mesh dress. How adorable is this? Denim on denim, also known as the Canadian tuxedo, is also having a major moment. I am always here for a monochromatic moment, so I love this trend. How cute is this? Corset tops are the perfect way to spruce up a very simple outfit, and you can play around with the fabrics like this leather one, or a denim corset like this one. What trends are you most excited about?